Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Paramount Plus subscription and start streaming entertainment, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Paramount Plus website at paramountplus.com or download the app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Try It Free or Sign Up button to begin the subscription process. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your Paramount Plus account. Step 4. Select your preferred subscription plan. Paramount Plus offers different tiers, including ad-supported and premium options. Step 5. Provide your payment information, including credit card details, or select an alternative payment method. Step 6. Review your subscription choice and billing terms before completing the transaction. Step 7. Confirm your subscription by clicking the Complete or Start Streaming button. Step 8. Log in with your credentials and start watching movies, original series, live sports, and news immediately on any compatible device, including smart TVs, tablets, and smartphones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.